Good morning, good evening, welcome back to the vlog. We are still in Australia. I'm currently in Brisbane right now and I'm going to be heading over to Airlie Beach and the Whitsundays. I think there might be some snorkeling on the Great Barrier Reef. I've just arrived here, Airlie Beach. I'm staying in the Magnum's hostel. I'm actually not going to do much tonight because I've gave myself, seriously, some kind of sunstroke. Look at the state of that. That's actually not ideal. So I'm feeling absolutely cooked, literally cooked. So I'm here on Airlie Beach on the east coast of Australia, just down from like Cairns and stuff like that. But basically Airlie Beach is the gateway to the Whitsundays and also the Great Barrier Reef. And then I've got a big day tour booked for the next day when I'm going to go travelling across the Whitsunday Islands to some of the nicer beaches and stuff like that. And then I'm going to try and get some diving done on the Great Barrier Reef, which is going to be absolutely epic, so I can't wait for that. Got up for sunrise this morning down on the famous Airlie Beach. Absolutely stunning, man. So I'm staying in this place called Magnum's. It's like a hotel, hostel. Yeah, it's not much, but it'll do the job. I think it was like £300 British pounds for the week, which is 5 days. So considering Australia prices plus the price of like a holiday sort of destination, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Got a little fridge, some storage, double bed. I had to pay extra for a double bed, but yeah, it'll do. Sunburn update. God.
Yeah. Well, we've already done the beach.
Yeah, I know. See, you can take a picture of like the beach being deserted. That's pretty good.
Oh, that's weird. Yeah, on the left. Oh my god. Guys on Riptide and Thunderstruck! Follow me, let's go!
He was like, oh yeah, I took those pictures and getting off the boat, you just got
Sorry,
confused.
You look confused, right?
I think it's your resting. It's not true. My resting place is here.
So this is the Whitsundays Whitehaven beach. Oh man, absolutely stunning. Look at this sand. There's viewpoints up there, that's where everyone gets the beautiful pictures. And then you get to come down here, relax on the beach, have a swim. Everyone's got to wear these stinger suits because there is like deadly jellyfish in these waters. Which hopefully I don't see any. I mean, there is people swimming, but look at this beach. It's absolutely stunning, man. No words. Live stingray on Whitehaven Beach. There's loads of them actually flying up and down the beach. How mental is that? It's not every day you see a stingray lying right close to the beach. Absolutely incredible, man. I didn't want to get too close to it because of obviously Steve Irwin, RIP. I understand now why everyone comes here. So good, cannot fault it. 360 degree, absolute scenery, mate. Views for days. Yeah, love it. I can see a huge animal out in the water there. And this water is warm, man. Oh my god.
The coolest fish we have to offer here in the Whitsundays. And then my personal favourite is the Napoleon wrasse, or a humpback Napoleon wrasse. Maui wrasse, everybody knows it by that. He is big and blue and has a lightning strike down his face and will get scratched by it. The really good thing about our waters too is if you get kicked or scratched, because of all the coral that he's thriving and living here. Guys, just give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to bring this video.
Absolutely stunning. Woo! Let's go. Going for that.